out of nowhere, you get a strange feeling where you've been through that exact same moment before. That's nice, a lot of you. Now, I'll be doing a presentation based on the science of deja vu. Now, deja vu, it's a strange phenomenon that a lot of people have been through already. Now, deja vu is a feeling like you've been doing something, but randomly out of nowhere, you get the feeling you've done it before. Even when it's like something where you've never done it before, you'll somehow get that strange feeling. And some people get a little reference in the Matrix, and they get the quote, "I glitch in the Matrix." That's when it happened. And usually, or earlier, he's been through this exact feeling, and then he gets the feeling where he's been through that already before. Now, as a person, I've been through a lot of times with deja vu, from middle school, elementary, even before elementary. It's very weird to me. Now, I had the question so many times to myself, what is exactly happening? What's the science behind it? How did it occur in the first place? Now, this led to me inspiring for this speech because I want to be able to answer those questions for myself to help me learn about it and to help all of you guys learn about it. Now, learning about deja vu, it'll help us get a better understanding on what's this feeling we all feel when out of nowhere you get that strange feeling something's happened before, but you clearly hasn't. Now, first I'll be explaining the origins of deja vu, how it happens, the science behind it, and how it works with your memory. Now, deja vu is a French word. It's based on the word in English, it's translated to already seen. I'm pretty sure a lot of people already know why it's translated to that, because deja vu, meaning you've already seen something that's never happened or that's happened before a while. Now, it's pretty common. You'll meet about 60 to 70% of people that's already been through deja vu. Now, it's not just a feeling of knowing a place, it's also a feeling that you've lived through that exact thing before. Now, deja vu is actually pretty common, as you've seen. Been through young adults, but specifically through the age of 15 to 25. That's when most people have felt it before in their lives. Now, it usually only lasts a few seconds, but you might be confused a while later because, of course, sometimes you've never been through it and now you're confused. It has a neurological explanation about it, and scientists say it's just the brain getting a little mixed up. But in a way, it's still a bit normal towards people. Now, even though deja vu feels creepy and mysterious, there's reasons behind it that scientists still figuring it out. Now, one idea is called the dual processing theory. Now, it's talked about in an article, "Can Science Explain Deja Vu?" by Sturwalt. It means that your brain gets the same information through two paths. Now, these paths is one signal gets sent through another signal in your brain, where it's a memory that's already happened before. That's the theory Sturwalt had been through. Now, in another point in time, with Papas, he said that deja vu, in the article, "What Causes Deja Vu?" He thinks it's something that reminds it from a past memory. So something like a small shape or anything, like a pattern, your brain will somehow figure it out and connect to it towards a past memory. It can't fully match, but you'll get like a little peek of what happened before that was already forgotten. That's why it's memory mix-up. That's the theory. Because now both of those kind of memories kind of clash, and now you don't get the full thing. That's why it gets that confused feeling. Now, it looks a lot like you're kind of getting like confused, anxiety, kind of like that, because now you don't know what to do. But anything can possibly happen. Even if you're sitting in a room talking to someone, deja vu can kick in at any moment of time. Now, it's not just a strange trick, it actually teaches us a lot about how the memory works. Now, deja vu, it connects to your memory, your brain, stuff like that. In quoted by Sturwell and Papas, they say, have I seen this before? Now, the reason why is because of the memory match and how it connects to your brain. It sends little neurons into your brain paths, which connects each memory. Now, instead of being a problem with it, Brown says most of the people who feel deja vu doesn't have anything wrong with your brain. It actually helps your brain with deja vu because it feels like you have more memory and you're able to connect more and you see more patterns with your eyes basically. So it shows you're being able to look more around yourself, your surroundings. Any patterns you've basically seen before, you're able to think more while you walk around. Now, a place from long ago can trigger that feeling. While some scientists are still studying deja vu, it can help your memory problems. Now, deja vu is a strange feeling and weird experience. It can help and it doesn't help at the same time because you don't really kind of want to feel that confused feeling. Now, it does show how strong, how powerful our brains still are. Now, I explained why deja vu is very strong and how our memory connects to it with our shared theories. Now, next time you go through deja vu, you'll be able to clearly see more of your surroundings and maybe you'll find something deeper on deja vu yourself, like your own theory. Thank you, and I hope you learned throughout the session.
I think I've heard this before.
Anyway.
I did.